Our home, Earth, a vibrant oasis in the cosmic void, yet perpetually sculpted by forces both grand and subtle. In July 2026, a different kind of sculptor emerged across North America, an inferno of wildfires, painting skies with a smoky, ominous breath. This wasn't just a haze. It was a complex atmospheric tapestry woven from the very elements of destruction. From the vast Canadian wilderness, plumes of brown carbon, the organic aerosols of combustion, drifted relentlessly south. This particulate matter, known as PM 2.5, choked the air from Toronto to New York City, turning once clear skies hazy and plunging air quality into hazardous ranges. It was a stark reminder of our planet's delicate balance and the far-reaching consequences of environmental shifts. But even as Earth's surface grapples with visible turmoil, our planet holds countless hidden stories, deep within its ice and rock. To uncover these, humanity employs an extraordinary eye in the sky, the NISAR satellite. This marvel of engineering, a collaboration between NASA and ISRO, pierces through clouds and darkness, revealing the subtle movements and stresses that shape our world. Recently, NISAR's L-band radar captured a breathtaking image of East Antarctica, affectionately dubbed the hummingbird. It depicts Nunatak Zadarjavshija, a mountaintop emerging from a river of ice, its presence fracturing the surrounding glacier with deep crevasses. The varying colors in the image, from magenta to vibrant green, are not just aesthetic. They are a sophisticated map, detailing its smooth surfaces and jagged cracks. From the intricate dance of ice on Earth, we journey back to the dawn of time, to the infancy of our universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's ultimate time machine, gazes into this primordial era, revealing the secrets of cosmic factories that once filled the young cosmos with the very stardust essential for life. It's a tale of transformation, from a chemically barren void to a universe rich with possibility. These early galaxies, too distant to study directly in detail, are now understood through a clever proxy, a dwarf galaxy named Sextans A. Webb's instruments unveiled that the first generations of massive, metal-poor stars, known as POP3 stars, forged heavier elements in their cores. Upon their explosive deaths as supernovae, they seeded the vast interstellar medium with these metals, creating the building blocks for subsequent generations of stars and, eventually, planets. Our Sun, a third-generation Popeye star, is a testament to this cosmic alchemy, rich in the very elements that formed Earth and sustained life. This continuous cycle of birth, death, and enrichment is the universe's grand recipe, transforming simple hydrogen and helium into the complex ingredients we find all around us, including ourselves. Every atom in your body was once forged in the heart of a star. But merely having the right cosmic ingredients isn't enough. The search for alien life demands understanding the precise conditions for habitability. New simulations reveal a critical factor: planetary size. For a rocky world to retain a life-sustaining atmosphere for billions of years, it needs to be substantial, roughly the size of Mars or larger. Smaller planets, with their weaker gravity and less robust magnetic fields, struggle to cling to their precious atmospheric gases against the relentless onslaught of stellar winds and radiation. Their interiors also cool faster, limiting volcanic activity, the very process that replenishes lost atmospheric gases, primarily carbon dioxide. It's a delicate balance between loss and replenishment. Yet, there's hope for these smaller worlds. Planets with abundant carbon in their mantles can release enough CO2 through volcanism to sustain an atmosphere, even at 60% Earth's radius. And even if an initial atmosphere is lost, later comet and asteroid impacts could deliver fresh volatile elements, offering a second chance for life to take hold. The universe, it seems, always holds surprises. From the smoke-filled skies of our own world to the ancient stardust of distant galaxies, From the hidden depths of Earth's ice to the potential for life on other planets, our journey of discovery is ceaseless. Each new observation, each new simulation, paints a more complete, breathtaking picture of our universe, urging us onward in our quest to understand our place within it.